Morning.
Good
Oh,
morning. How are you?
very good. Thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. My name is Kingsley, and you are Simone's boyfriend. What's your name?
Rodrigo.
Rodrigo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
You
great
have a movie.
pronunciation about her.
Yeah, you have a movie star name.
Yeah. Okay.
Rodrigo, or a footballer's name, a footballer, or a movie director's
Movie
name.
writer. Yeah.
So, how are you, Rodrigo?
Very, very good. Well, now I'm so tired because I was taking out snow from the garage, so that's not
Okay.
bad. But
So
yeah, it was
it's snowing there.
yeah. In Spain, I don't know why, but suddenly it started snowing.
Okay, like you look at okay, so I'm not being crazy because I was like,
No, 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 no.
well, it's snowing in Spain. What?
Yeah, like a lot. I mean, it's just we have like 3 foot deep in snow. We
Does
never
it?
see. I don't know. We never see this
Okay,
before.
okay. So it's not like a normal thing, is it?
No, 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 not at all.
Wow,
I
that's
mean,
that's
at the moment for Spain, yeah, but not here. We
yeah.
live in the middle in Madrid. That's
it's
weird.
it's snowing in Madrid. I'm like, okay, that's a very interesting thing because
Yeah.
In Greece at the moment, it's about 17, 18 degrees.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
so but normally it's about 7, 8 degrees, and
Hmm.
you can go outside without like just a t-shirt and shorts, and
Just t-shirt.
but then it's
Yeah.
worrying. It doesn't, like, it should make me happy, but instead it's making me. I was just like, wait,
Yeah.
like, why is it this? Like, what's happening? Like, what's, something is
Yeah.
something's not right. It should be, and in Madrid, I wouldn't,
Yeah.
it's like, it's snowing in Madrid. What? Okay, something's
Hmm.
coming. Something's coming. Like, you need to get prepared.
Yeah. The climate change.
I believe,
So yeah,
yeah. I'm a bit.
the past
Go on. In the past.
in the past here, the last 2 or 3 years, I've been like in New Year, in the holidays, like yeah, with a tiny jacket, tiny jacket, and that's all.
Yeah,
But this year is like crazy. So so yeah, it's I don't know, it's the changes.
there are crazy changes. So tell me, Rodrigo. What? So with your English is like really, really like nice. Like it's
Oh, thank you.
smooth. It's a kind of
Hmm.
smooth flow. And I was
Hmm.
wondering, like, where did you like? Is it just in school, or was this on your own, or?
No, this is by my own. I mean, my wife is from the States,
Okay.
and she's native from there, so we practically talk in English every single day. But we have a kid,
Okay. Oh,
and
nice.
we are yeah, 1 year and a half kid,
Oh, very, very nice. Congratulations.
and we decide thank you. We decide to talk with him in English,
Okay.
so he could have both languages.
Yeah.
And I make like these little mistakes of pronunciation of vocabulary. I mess up with, for example, with the past and
Present.
present.
Yeah.
It's something that happened to me. I don't know why.
Do you know what?
And
It's so interesting. Like, a lot of people that speak are so, like, I find like people that learn English for the first time learning grammar and the past and the present and the present and the future,
hmm.
and we don't care about that. Like if I like for and I find, especially these days in English, there was a time when it used to be you had to be grammatically accurate about everything.
Hmm.
Oh, this, it happened yesterday, and then
Yes, sir.
or tomorrow, and the day before. These days, it's just like people just shorthand. Basically, if I'm talking to you about
Hmm.
something, figure out that
Hmm.
it was yesterday because I only saw you. I saw you day before yesterday. So,
Yeah.
so if I'm seeing you today, if I saw you on Monday and then today's Wednesday, and I'm telling you something that happened, I
Hmm.
wouldn't say like, you know, yesterday. I would say when I left you on
When
Monday.
I left you.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
you carry the story almost like you're leaving the person on Monday, and
Hmm.
something happened to you, and then now it's Wednesday. You're telling the person. So like, don't feel any way if you get the mistakes wrong, because your kid will learn from TV shows. He will hear his mother speak. Most children learn the. I have a 5-year-old daughter myself, and she's in Czech Republic.
Oh,
And so we raised her to speak English and Czech, but
check.
but I'm the only one in her town that actually
Uh-huh.
speaks English. Her mother learned English and she speaks to her sometimes, but in her whole town, no one speaks to her in
Never.
English. No, but right now she's a YouTube master and a Netflix cartoons master, and she watches it, and so she talks to me with the right grammatic sentences sometimes, and she doesn't even know what they are. She just knows what she wants.
What she wants.
Yeah. And so it's an interesting one, like raising kids speaking two languages.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to me because it's just didn't. It's not natural to me just to try to change. So when I was something like I want to say something fast to him, or I was scared about because he's doing whatever, I was like, oh, I changed to Spanish.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I have to say myself like, okay, just calm down. Try to talk to him in English.
Yeah.
And
I mean,
it's more like shame to me. I mean, not shame, but it's like it's just I want to do it.
I know.
Good.
I know. Here's something for you. I was discussing this with your wife the last time, and it was funny for us because a lot of English speakers, people are like, "Oh my goodness, I want to speak like you." When I speak to students, they're like, "I want to speak like you. You're British and you lived in America," and I'm like, English people don't speak English, right? And that's what I told them. I was like, we don't always speak English. We say something.
Okay.
We say something, but we don't speak English sometimes. And these are examples. These are nice examples. When you hear this, if you go to London, you'll hear this at least once a day from someone.
Okay.
If you're in a group of people, you might hear it 5 times a day. Well, because these are our like really, really famous words, so to speak. What do you think they mean?
Yeah. I mean, I think that I could follow the conversations without any kind of problem, except it's like something so technically. Well, when I was living in Scotland, I didn't understand nothing.
Yes, exactly.
But yeah,
I mean,
but you're right. I think people normally, when I've been with my wife at the States or in England, I could follow the conversations. I mean, I could participate.
But sometimes they go.
Yeah. The thing is just when people talk too fast. I mean, I think that everybody has that problem. I speak so fast. I know that.
And what part? So where exactly are you from in Spain?
You're
from Madrid. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I mean here, and I don't have except my wife. I don't have anyone to talk. And I know if I talk with her, it's just perfect. She's so tired to correct me, and those little things directly that I made mistakes. It's normal.
And the thing is, you can like things like this. Like one of these 4 words that I wrote there will save your life, just because it will stop giving you a headache. Especially the last one.
Yeah, tingly.
Thingy.
Thingy.
Thingy. Yeah. All 4 of those words are very regular words that we use in Britain. In English. What do you think?
Oh my God.
So what do you think they mean?
No idea. I really don't have any kind of
idea. Check it out.
The first word is like
thingy-majiggy. Thingy-majiggy.
Thingy-majiggy.
Thingy-mabob.
Thingy-mabob.
Whatchamacallem.
Whatchamacallem.
All of them mean thingy. Yeah.
Thingy.
What is thingy? Thingy just when you don't remember a word. So if me and you are sitting at the table, okay, we're having dinner. I want you to pass me the salt. But my mouth is like I've just eaten this slice
Yeah, it's
like,
full mode.
and I can go I can point at the salt and say, pass me the thingy. Pass me the thingy.
It's
The
just
pointing plus the hand and the coordination with the person will hear salt in their head. They don't know that you said, like, they forget that you said thingy. They know you said thingy, but they also know you said salt.
okay, that's
It's
nice.
very, very weird. Like,
It's like,
try it out at some point. If you see the remote control, next time
yeah.
you want your wife to pass you something, say, babes, pass me the thingy, and point at it. She'll give it to you before she actually realizes that you haven't actually said the word, because you don't remember the word.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's like
Yeah, if you don't
great.
remember something,
Okay.
just replace it with thingy and point at it. And the word,
Pass me the
pass me a
thingy.
thingy. And you can point at that thingy. That's that
Point.
thingy. Thingy-majiggy is the longer version of thingy. It's like thingy-majiggy. That's thing. It means literally translates as that thing. Yeah. Thingamabob, that's thing. That particular thing.
That's thing.
What you McCallums is like when you're trying to remember something and it translates as what do you call it? What you call them? So you're like, the what you call them?
Okay. Like I
I forgot.
forgot.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
thingy will save your life in many situations abroad, anywhere. If that they speak English, thingy is like a common thing that everyone uses. A lot of people use, and a lot of people unconsciously use it, and it's an acquired skill. So you can say the thingy. They're like, oh yeah, the phone, carry on, and people will actually not even correct you. They'll just know that what you mean. Yeah.
No.
So I went
Okay.
to yeah, I got the thingy for the toilets. Ah, yeah, the brush. Yeah.
Nice.
People will automatically, the moment you say thingy and you describe even a little bit, people's automatic reaction in English on any given day is to either give you the answer or know what you're talking about.
Okay. Thank God. I mean, I'm going to try
Try it
that
out.
immediately when I say her,
So,
when I
babes, you
see
know
her
the thingy?
now. I
And she was
just
like, "What? Oh,
the
yes."
thing is.
Yeah, no, that's the response. Like you bring out the response. It elicits information from people by saying thingy with an action. Thingy with an action always brings out information from people. Like it's just I don't know what it is, but like in life, it's one of those little tricks and tips that people don't realize. So like, I was talking to Thingy, Michael's mum. Oh yes, Stephanie. They'll give you the answer. Oh, Stephanie, yeah. I was playing downstairs with the thingy, the kick it in the air. Yeah, the ball. Yeah, the ball. Carry on.
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. I mean, yeah, I was literally so excited to use today. Yeah, and to put in
Yeah.
practice.
It's a really nice one. Like, it's
So
passing the
useful.
thingy on the table. Oh yeah, and in fact, sometimes if you want to see how well it works, there can be loads of things on the table. And you say, "Baby, pass me a thingy on the table." She'll give you at least 5 or 6 names. She's like, "What? The spoon, the cup, the knife, the what do you want?" Oh yeah, that one, the knife.
Oh, that.
So she can get you up. Yeah,
Thank you so much. I mean,
like, yeah,
thank you so much
yeah, because
for
you
the
don't know
tip.
the English word at that point. Then you replace, the rest of it.
Yeah,
Like, babes, pass me the thingy. Oh, and they'll give
the
you the
thingy.
answer. Like, yeah, oh yeah, I remember it for next time. Spoon. That's what I
Okay.
wanted.
Yeah. For the next time that I go to the States with my uncles-in-law, I'm going to
Yeah, can I have the
definitely
thingy?
just
Yeah, thingy, and just point. So
yeah.
the answer, and it's fascinating watching how the answer comes out of, because you pointed, you said it, and they know they've heard the word, so it's almost like they want to fill in the sentence. Because
Yeah.
all you said was thingy there. Can I have the thingy? Oh, the spoon. Yes, the spoon.
Yes.
Yeah, try it on your wife. It'll work.
Oh, yeah.
Babes, pass me
Definitely.
the thingy for the
Definitely.
TV. Oh, the remote. Yes, that one.
Yes. Well, thank you
Rodrigo,
so
it is
much
an absolute
because
pleasure.
I think that's going to
Yes,
be so
yes.
useful.
And congratulations
Okay.
on your kid, or your son. Right?
Thank you so much. You too.
It's a son. You have. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's a
So he's
son.
going to be speaking English and Spanish
Okay.
in no time.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
We'll
of
try
course.
for
Oh,
that.
this is one last
Okay.
thing. Mother Goose.
Yep.
Look at this on TV for him, for English. It's nursery rhymes. Mother Goose.
Monster
Mother
Goose.
Goose TV, YouTube.
Okay. Mother Goose.
for nursery rhymes and speaking English. My daughter started